All right, so quick little room tour. We got a bunch of our nice things hanging here because we don't want them to be wrinkly. As you can see, windbreakers are already wrinkly. We got our shoes down here. Nice little mirror. We got our little tech station, water bottles, all that good stuff over here. Little essentials. Forgot to show the washroom. Nice mirror, tall enough so I can see in it. That's one of my big problems in hotels. I usually can't see myself in the mirror. Another thing is, they got a high shower head that you can even put even higher up, and it's detachable. Tall people friendly. Hotels, every hotel in the world gotta get on that. And then over here you got the floating bed. You got Ali here. Over here you got the floating bed with the lights under. I woke up like this. A little messy right now. We're just getting ready to go out and get breakfast. I love the lighting in this room. And then they got a huge TV. You can actually connect your laptop or your phone to this TV, so you don't gotta worry about just watching hotel TV. You can watch whatever you want as long as you got it on your phone or laptop. And over here we got another side table. Another thing, they got a lot of outlets. There's outlets there, multiple. There's there, got another light there. You got another outlet here, another two there with two USB outlets there. So they got plenty. And then out here you got Albury Park. So you got a nice pond right there, a bunch of seating areas and benches. And then the back of the hotel here, nice little seating area and lounge. But yeah, it's a pretty small room, but they really maximize the space that you have. It's high ceilings. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's a really small room, but they maximize the space they have. As you can see, high ceilings as well. Like I said, it's tall people friendly. We're in the tallest country in the world, so they gotta make it tall. And then you got another seating area here. If you wanted to put a laptop here, do whatever you gotta do, makeup, whatever it is, you're good to go. And like I said, another high mirror so I can actually see myself and not cut my head off. But that's about it. Y'all gotta leave. You don't gotta go home, but you do gotta get out of here. Thanks for watching. Oh.